There are amazing reasons to get the Golly Gosh Equine Deluxe Massage Ball into your tack bag. Regular use of the massage kit stimulates the horse's natural healing processes. It can relax and de-stress your horse, ease discomfort, and facilitate post-event recovery. Each massage kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions, detailed and comprehensive diagrams showing how to use the massage kit, and YouTube training videos providing further support for you. The massage kit is safe to use and affordable to buy. You are also buying peace to you and your horse with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you are not happy within the first 14 days, return it for a full refund. See you in the next video.